Case 5 would be partial fractions of improper rational function. So let's see how we are going to solve this case into partial fractions. I don't want to talk and waste my time much, so we will move directly into an example. Let's take this example: x cubed plus 2 divided by x minus 1 x plus 1. So if you carefully look, the powers in the numerator, is greater than the power in the denominator. In the denominator, you will get the power as 2. So which is power is greater than the denominator. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So in this case, since the power is greater, we always write it, since the power is greater by 1, we always write it as ax plus b. Here the power is 1, power is greater by 1. In the case if the power is equal, here the power will be x to the power 0. In that case, you will have only a constant left. You write this as x plus b d over x minus 1 plus d over x plus 1. This is how you write it. I repeat again, guys, in this problem, the numerator has a higher power than the denominator. If it's equal, let's say this is x squared plus 2. This is x squared plus 2, the powers will be equal. Then we write here a constant plus c over x minus 1 plus d over x plus 1. But our problem is the powers are not equal. Power is greater by 1. So in that case, we write ax plus b. So now after this, it's all about solving it. So let's solve it quickly. So when we take the common denominator and solve, what we get? Ax plus b times 1 plus 1 plus c times x plus 1 plus d times x minus 1. Now to solve this, put x equals minus 1. You put x equals minus 1, you get minus 1 to the power cube plus 2 d times minus 1. So when you solve this, you get d equals minus half. And when you put x equals 1, you get, when you solve it, you get c equals 3 by 2. Now you have found d and c. All you have to find is a and b. So simply equating x to the power cube coefficient. So when you equate x to the power cube coefficient, you get a as 1, and now you equate x to the squared coefficient, the power 2 coefficient. So when you do that, you get b equals 1. So now that you have found everything, now it's time to write the final answer. The final answer is x cubed. Now this is the sum x cubed over 2 divided by x minus 1 x plus 1 equals x plus 1 3 over 2 times x minus 1 minus half x plus 1. So this would be the final answer. And I repeat, you guys, always be mindful before you go into partial fractions, always you need to know about whether it's a proper rational function or improper rational function. If it's an improper rational function, there's a way of solving it, and this is exactly the way. And if it's a proper rational functions, I have done many examples for you, and even in there we have a lot of types. I have discussed all. So yeah, hope you guys understand the difference between proper rational function and improper rational function when it comes to solving it in partial fraction. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like the content that I do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You also can follow me on the Instagram Maths for Me.